Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I think you all are fantastic, isn't it? Okay. Okay, once again I'm here with you to explain chapter 3 of English, the animal kingdom. And the topic is the two goats. Students, first you tell me which animals have you seen? I think animals like cow, dog, cat, buffalo, horse, pig, you all have seen, isn't it? Yes. But have you seen dinosaurs, hippo, rhino? I think on the television or mobile, you all have seen these animals, isn't it? Of course, yes. Students, as we all know, that animals are very important and useful for us. They help us in different ways. Like cow and buffalo give us milk. Sheep gives us wool. Honeybee gives us honey. Dog guards our house. We use horse for riding, etc. So we should take care of these animals and we should protect them. Students, can you see here? What is this? This is honeybee. And what does honeybee give us? Honeybee gives us honey. Yes? What is this? This is horse. We use horse for riding. This hen. What does hen gives us? Eggs. This cow and this buffalo. Cow and buffalo give us milk. Who are these? These are sheep. Sheep give us wool. Who are these? These are dogs. Dogs guard our houses. So we can say that we should save all the animals and we should take care all of them. Now students, let's know about the story. Can you see this picture? Okay, tell me what they both goats are thinking. ये दोनों जो goats हैं वो क्या सोच रही हैं? Some of you will say that they want to do friendship. आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि वो फ्रेंडशिप करना चाहती हैं, दोस्ती करना चाहती हैं. Some will say they are praising each other. Praising means तारीफ करना. वे एक दूसरे की तारीफ कर रही हैं. Okay? Now listen the story. Then you will get to know what they are thinking. Students, this is the story of fighting between two goats. So my dear students, here is the story. Once upon a time, the two goats were grazing on the opposite banks of a river. एक बार नदी के पुल पर दो बकरियां चर रही थीं. Grazing means चरना. We use grazing words for animals, not for humans. Banks means किनारे. River means नदी. There was a narrow bridge over the river. रिवर के ऊपर एक नैरो ब्रिज. ब्रिज मीन्स पुल. एंड नैरो मीन्स नॉट ब्रॉड, जो बहुत चौड़ा नहीं था. तो नदी के ऊपर एक ब्रिज था जो बहुत चौड़ा नहीं था. दे बोथ डिसाइडेड टू क्रॉस द रिवर एंड गो टू द अदर साइड. उन दोनों ने क्या डिसाइड किया? उन दोनों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम दोनों ब्रिज से नदी के उस पार जाते हैं. द टू गॉड्स स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. दोनों बकरियों ने चलना स्टार्ट किया. एज द ब्रिज वॉज सो नैरो, जैसा कि आप जानते हो जो ब्रिज था बहुत ज़्यादा नैरो था. बहुत कम चौड़ा था। ओनली वन कुड क्रॉस इट एट अ टाइम, केवल एक ही बकरी एक टाइम में इसको पार कर सकती थी। बोथ गॉड्स केप्ट वॉकिंग एंड रीच्ड द मिडल ऑफ द ब्रिज। दोनों बकरियां चलते चलते ब्रिज के बीच में पहुंच गईं। मिडल मीन्स बीच में। बोथ ऑफ देम वांटेड टू क्रॉस द ब्रिज। अब दोनों बकरियां जो थीं वो ब्रिज को पार करना चाहती थीं और वो चाहती थी कि पहले मैं पार कर लूँ, है ना। बट देयर वॉज नो स्पेस टू क्रॉस ईच अदर। लेकिन वहाँ पर इतना स्पेस नहीं था, इतनी जगह नहीं थी कि वे दोनों बकरियाँ एक साथ ब्रिज को क्रॉस कर लेती। लेट मी गो फर्स्ट, वन गॉट सेड। एक बकरी क्या बोली? लेट मी गो फर्स्ट, पहले मुझे जाने दो। द अदर गॉट रिप्लाइड नो यू गो बैक। जो दूसरी बकरी थी उसने क्या रिप्लाई किया? नहीं, तुम पीछे जाओ, पहले मुझे जाने दो। सून द आर्ग्यूमेंट टर्न्ड इनटू फाइटिंग। सून मीन्स जल्दी, आर्ग्यूमेंट मीन्स बहस। जल्दी ही वो जो बहस कर रहे थे दोनों आपस में, वो फाइटिंग में चेंज हो गई, मीन्स लड़ाई में चेंज हो गई, वो दोनों लड़ने लगे। बट आफ्टर सम टाइम दे रियलाइज्ड दैट इट वॉज नॉट हेल्पिंग देम। कुछ देर बाद उनको क्या रियलाइज़ हुआ कि वो जो फाइटिंग कर रहे थे ये उनके किसी काम की नहीं थी। दे शुड थिंक अनदर वे टू क्रॉस द ब्रिज। अब उन्हें ब्रिज को क्रॉस करने के लिए कोई दूसरा उपाय सोचना चाहिए। दे फाउंड अ सिंपल सॉल्यूशन टू देयर प्रॉब्लम। अब उन्होंने अपनी जो प्रॉब्लम थी उसका एक सिंपल सा सॉल्यूशन सोचा। वन गॉट ले डाउन। ले डाउन मीन्स लेट गई। वन गॉट ले डाउन ऑन द ब्रिज एंड अदर गॉट वर्कड ओवर इट। क्या तरीका सोचा उन दोनों ने ब्रिज पार करने का? वन गॉट ले डाउन ऑन द ब्रिज, एक जो बकरी थी वो ब्रिज के ऊपर लेट गई, एंड अदर गॉट वर्कड ओवर इट, और जो दूसरी बकरी थी वो उसके ऊपर से निकल गई। सो दे क्रॉस्ड द नैरो ब्रिज सो ईजीली। इस तरह से उन्होंने इस ब्रिज को बहुत आसानी से पार कर लिया। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल मी, इज फाइटिंग इज बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर द सॉल्यूशन? नो, वी शुड नेवर फाइट विद ईच अदर फॉर एनी रीजन। यस, yes. Now you got to know that what were the gods doing on the river bank. Yes, they were trying to cross the narrow bridge. Now can you tell me why did they begin to fight each other? Anyone, can you tell me? Yes, because they wanted to cross the bridge, but the bridge was very narrow and only one god could cross the bridge at one time. Okay, how they solved their problems? See here. How they solved their problem? Now you can tell me. Yes, one got lay down. Can you see here? One got lay down. Lay down means नीचे लेट गई या नीचे बैठ गई। ऑन द ब्रिज एंड अदर गॉट वर्कड ओवर इट, और जो दूसरी बकरी थी वो उसके ऊपर से निकल गई। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी टेक सम वोकेबलरी। फर्स्ट वी विल टेक सम वर्ड मीनिंग्स एंड देयर sentences. First one is grazing. Grazing means खाना या चरना. Grazing means eating or cropping. And the sentence of grazing is the goats are grazing or the cows are grazing. We use grazing words for animals, not for humans. Okay. Second one is narrow. Narrow means not wide. Means जो चौड़ा नहीं है. So the sentence of narrow is the bridge was very narrow. We have learned this story. The bridge was very narrow. Next sentence is there are many narrow streets in my village. Means मेरे गांव में बहुत सारी narrow streets means गलियां हैं. Third one is bang. Bang means hit, beat and strike. And the sentences are the gods banged their heads. Next is there was a bang as the gun was fired. Next is the door shut with a bang. Next word is problem. Problem means difficulty. The sentence is we should always be ready to face any difficulty or any problem. Now students, we will learn about verbs. Anybody knows what is verbs? Verbs means action words. The words which shows actions are called action verbs or action words are called verbs. In Hindi we can say सभी काम वाले शब्द क्रिया कहलाते हैं. In Hindi we say kriya verbs. Verbs means kriya. So students, can you see here? What are the children doing? Children are playing. So playing is an action word. Means a verb. What is going on here? Cleaning. Cleaning is also an action word. What is the boy doing? The boy is drinking. Drinking is also a verb or an action word. What is this girl doing? The girl is swinging. Means ये झूला झूल रही है ना. So it is also an action word or verb. What is this girl doing? She is eating. Eating is also an action word. Who is this? Who is this man? This is a painter. And what is he doing? He is doing painting. So painting is also an action word or verb. What they both are doing? They both are dancing. So dancing is also an action word. Students, some other action words are here. What is the boy doing? He is taking bath or he is bathing. So bathing is also an action word. What is this lady doing? She is cooking. So cooking is also an action word or verb. What is this girl doing? Dancing. You know very well, dancing is also an action word. What is this girl doing? She is swimming. Swimming is an action word. What is this boy doing? He is sleeping.